What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who have been on my channel here for a little bit, you have seen me sing and seen me perform. And for those who are a little bit newer on here and that may not know, I am a model. I have been modeling since I was 7 years old, but what I realized I failed to show you guys is my modeling experience and the behind the scenes, and also the footage of my runway shows that I've done in passing and currently. So recently I just did a fashion show this past weekend, and I thought, this is something that I have never shared with you guys before, and I really want to show you this part of my life as it's one of my biggest passions right next to singing and YouTubing and podcasting and everything else that I do. I'm excited to show you guys more of what I haven't shown you before, so I hope you guys like it. This is footage from the runway shows that I've done, some recently and also some in the past. I'm excited to share it with you because I've done some prestigious shows like LA Fashion Week and Palm Springs Fashion Week and Metropolitan Fashion Week at Warner Brothers Studios, which were all very major fashion shows for me that I never knew I was going to walk someday. And I have big dreams and big ambitions of walking like New York Fashion Week and Paris Fashion Week and Milan Fashion Week, and all the major international fashion shows have always been such a huge dream of mine. And so it's exciting for me to get the chance to show you guys where I started and from where I am now to where I'll be in the near future, because there's just so much possibility ahead that I am so excited for, and why not share it with you guys, right? I almost kind of regret that when I did these shows I wasn't vlogging obviously as much as I am now, and I wasn't putting out as much content then as I am on YouTube now, because if I did, you guys would have seen everything and it was amazing, and I should have taken you with me on these incredible experiences that I'll never forget. But I do have a little footage from each of the shows that I've done, so I'm happy to share it with you guys here. And now please let me know which walk and which runway was your favorite in the comments below. Also, more fashion videos to come, and don't forget to be keeping up with my podcast, because if you are, I'll be giving you a shout out at the beginning of my videos. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys like it. This is me giving you a little bit more in on the stuff that I'm doing outside of YouTube that you don't get to see all the time, besides my fashion and whatnot, my singing, and now I'm finally sharing with you guys my modeling. Of course, in the near future, the more I do, I of course will be ecstatic to bring you guys along with me on my journey. I do apologize that I didn't get the chance to share as much as I wanted to with you, but I hope you guys still like it anyways. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.
Well, I told them to smile and face